In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tip, how to reconcile hundreds of transactions in seconds, 5 minutes. We're going to use Xero's cache coding feature to speed through bank reconciliation without losing accuracy. Before you start, make sure your bank feed or statement import is up to date and that your chart of accounts and tax rates are set correctly. That way, when you apply bulk actions, everything lands in the right place. Open Xero and sign in to your account. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step. After logging in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. If you manage multiple organizations, confirm you're in the correct one by checking the organization name at the top. On the dashboard, look for your bank account tile and the prompt showing items to reconcile. This is your gateway to the fastest workflow. Click Reconcile Items. Xero will show the standard match and create view, but for processing at scale, we'll switch to cache coding. Find the cache coding tab near the top of the page and click it. Cache coding displays your imported bank transactions in a spreadsheet-style grid. This is where the magic happens. You can filter, sort, select, and apply account codes, tax rates, descriptions, and tracking to many lines at once. If needed, adjust the date range or search by payee or reference so you're focusing on the transactions you want to process in bulk. Now, select all items using the checkbox at the top left of the grid. If some transactions need a specific invoice match or a one-off treatment, simply untick those lines so they're handled separately later. The goal is to group truly similar transactions together, things like regular subscriptions, bank fees, or routine sales deposits. So your coding is consistent. With your line selected, assign the appropriate account code. For example, choose a revenue account for sales receipts or an expense account for software subscriptions. Add a clear description that will make sense in reports and for anyone reviewing the ledger. Next, set the correct tax rate for the batch. If you use tracking categories like department or location, apply them here too. This bulk edit ensures every selected transaction gets the same treatment instantly. When you're happy with the coding, click Save and Reconcile Selected. Xero will summarize how many lines you're about to post. Take a quick moment to review the count and the selected account and tax settings. If everything looks right, confirm by clicking OK. Xero will process the group and move those transactions from unreconciled to reconciled. A few tips to keep your workflow clean. Work in logical batches. Filter by payee or amount pattern, then select all for that group and reconcile. If you spot something unusual, deselect it and handle it separately later. Keep an eye on tax rates, especially if your feed contains both taxable and non-taxable items. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Use the account transaction screen to find the entry and undo, then return to cache coding to fix and reprocess. Back on the dashboard, your unreconciled count should drop immediately. Repeat this process for your remaining groups until your reconciling list is clear. With a bit of practice, what used to take hours becomes minutes, and your accounts stay accurate, consistent, and up to date. That's it. You've just reconciled hundreds of transactions in seconds using cache coding in Xero. If this helped, keep building the habit of reconciling frequently, using filters to create clean batches, and reviewing the results as you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tip.